Hi ma'am, happy birthday po. Wishing you good health and sana po marami pa pong birthdays to come na sasamahan natin and stay pretty and healthy. I love you ma'am. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Happy 80th birthday, Mommy. I love you. I hope you enjoyed this day. I hope and pray that God blesses you with peace of mind, with happiness, love, joy. And I hope He also blesses you financially. Again, I wish you a happy, happy birthday. I love you again. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Hi Ma, happy 80th birthday. Kahit hindi na tayo magkasama dito sa mundo, gusto kong malagi tang binamahayan. Salamat sa walang sawang pagmahal, sakripisyo at pag-aruga mo sa aming lahat. Sana ngayong espesyal na araw mo, maramdaman mo kung gaano ka kamahal. I'm so proud to be your son. God bless you.
Happy 80th birthday, Mommy. We love you. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. At thank you sa lahat ng mga prayers, pagmamahal, pag-aaruga sa amin. We love you very much. Bye-bye, Ma.
We love you and more birthdays to come and God bless you always. And thank you very much for all the love, care. Hope you enjoy your day.
Happy 80th birthday, Mommy Norma. May God bless you always.
We love you and enjoy your special day.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy 80th birthday, Lola. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and happiness. Thank you for the love, wisdom, and all the wonderful memories you gave us growing up. We are so blessed to have you in our lives.
Happy birthday, Lola. We wish you more birthdays to come.
My name is Zach. I hope to meet.
Happy birthday, Lola Norma. We wish for more birthdays to come, and we will see you when we go back to the Philippines next time.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Mami Norma. Happy 80th birthday po. Wishing you nothing but good health, of course, happiness, and more blessings to come. I hope you enjoy your very, very special day. We love you and God bless po.
Happy 80th birthday, Mommy Norma. God bless. Ingat po palagi. We love you. Happy birthday, Moa. Happy birthday, Moa. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Moa. Yay. I love you. Thank you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. I hope to see you soon. Love you. Take care always.
Happy 80th birthday, Lola Norma. We love you. Ang wish ko po sa'yo ay umabot ka po ng anak ko at saka po healthy life at mahabang buhay. Sana po good at healthy ka po at pag-college ko buhay ka pala. Love you!
Happy 80th birthday, Mami. Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices mo para sa family natin, sa lahat ng prayers, and sa lahat ng pagmamahal mo sa bawat isa sa family members natin. And ang wish ko po ngayong birthday mo ay sana makuha mo pa lahat ng blessings na hinahangad mo and lahat ng prayers mo ay matupad. And sana po mas maraming birthday pang dumating sa buhay mo. And good health, always good health. I love you.
Happy 80th birthday, Mommy. We love you.
Happy 80th birthday, Lola. We love you. Wish you na umabot ka hanggang 100 and good health and succeed in life. We love you. Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday, Lola Ganda. Ang wish ko po sana madami kang blessings at paglaki sabi ko, buhay ka pa din.
Bye.
Hi, Ate Norma. Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday sa'yo. Hi, I miss you so much, Ate. Sana ay lagi kang healthy, masaya. I'm so happy to see your pictures sa Facebook. Pag happy ka, happy ako. Happy birthday. Sana ay lagi kang malakas, walang sakit. And keep in touch. Anto si Vic wants to greet you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ate. We wish you all the best in life. Sana pagdasal mo ako at saka pamilya ko, mga bata, kami.
Okay.
Kalalagay lang sa akin ng fistula dito sa left side ko, dito. Saka, mahina pa ako ngayon. Sana wag na matuloy yung dialysis ko. Nakaabang lang ito. Yung ugat, inano nila, pinipray nila. Okay, sige. See you again.
Ito naman si Louie. Andito kami kasi sa restaurant dahil andito si Louie. Celebrating Father's Day for Vic.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. I hope you have a good birthday and have many more birthdays after. And hopefully we can see each other sometime in the future. There you go. You're starting to lose, but take care and we'll talk to you soon.
We love you, Ate.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Norma. Happy birthday. Thank you, Lord. 80 years old na ang aking ate. Enjoy life. Be happy. Masaya ako para sa iyo kasi nasa edad ka na ngayon na 80 pasado ka na. Kotang-kota pa. I love you. Enjoy your birthday. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Norma. Wishing you good health, happiness, and peace of mind. May the good Lord grant all your heart's desire. Enjoy your special day with your family. We love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Norma.
Bye-bye.
Hello kay Tita Norma. Happy 80th birthday sa iyo. So, napakabilis po ng panahon, ano? Parang kailan lang kami mga bata pa, ano? So, ang pag-edad ng ganyan kaya sa iyo na 80th birthday ay isang napakagandang blessing ng ating Panginoon, lalong-lalo na sa mga panahong ito, ano? So, enjoy mo lang, tita, ang buhay mo everyday. Always thank God, ano? At keep in touch sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. At naway pagkalooban ka pa ng mahal na Panginoon ng ilang taon pa dito sa ibabaw ng mundo, no? Na maging magandang iyong kalusugan, maging masaya ka. So,
Happy birthday, Tita!
again, tita, happy 80th birthday to you. God bless.
Hi, Ate Norma. Happy 80th birthday. Ate Norma, dalangin ko na sana pagpalain ka ng poong may kapal at bigyan ng mabuting kalusugan at mahabang buhay kasama ng iyong mga pamilya. Namimiss ko na kayo. Matagal na kayong hindi nakapunta dito sa Dagupan. I love you, Ate Norma. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Lola Norma.
We love you. Enjoy. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tita Norma! Wish you good health, more blessings, and more birthdays to come.
Ingat po kayo palagi. Regards to everyone.
You're always happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 80th birthday, Tita Norma. Cheers! Wish you more good health, more
happiness, and more birthdays to come. God bless you always. We love you, Sis Norma.
Happy 80th birthday, Tita Norma. Wishing you more birthdays to celebrate and more blessings to come. I miss you. I love you. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy 80th birthday, Tita Norma. Wishing you more birthdays to come and more blessings and happiness in life. We love and miss you and see you soon. Bye!
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Armando Layaw, ang nakakabatang kapatid ni Ate Norma. I just want to greet my ate a happy 80th birthday. I wish you all the best, more birthday to come, and always take care of yourself, especially your health. Always remember that my Ate Mel, my family and I are here for you, and we love you. Enjoy your day with all the people around you who care and love you so much. Happy birthday again, Ate. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mare. Cheers on 80 amazing years. Oh my God. 80 na tayong dalawa. Enjoy your special day and may God bless you always. Love you.
Start na.
Hello.
Sige.
Bakit ano to?
Start na.
Hi, Sister Norma. Happy birthday. Una ka lang ng buwan sa akin. Ako rin ay mag-80th birthday itong taon na to. Naway, enjoyin mo ang masasarap na buhay na binigay ng Panginoon. Sister Norma, narito po kami, bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday. Alam mo, Sister Norma, believe kami sa inyo dahil marami kang religious activities, mga apo mo na napakagaganda, napakatalino, pero nandiyan ka pa rin gumagabay sa kanila. Lalo na yung pagsusumba, nakikita ka namin, kahit malayo ka.
Sumba at pagsamba sa Diyos.
At pagsamba sa Diyos. Lalong na nakikita ka namin sa video, sa Facebook. Ikaw talaga ay hindi nakakalimutan.
Lola.
Hello, Sister Norma.
Hello, beautiful Lola.
Happy birthday.
Kalimutan ng BFF.
Huwag mo kalimutan ang chicharon.
At ang chicharon. Happy birthday once again.
Enjoy your day. We love you.
Stay healthy. And always beautiful.
Pabuhay ka.
Yay!
Stop.